Struggling to add audio to your Elementor page? Learn how to embed an audio player in under 2 minutes. We'll open the page editor, select the audio widget, upload your file, and save the page. Edit Home with Elementor. Then, click on the highlighted element on the canvas. Now, click on the highlight once more to proceed. Next, click on WordPress from the options that appear. Then, click on WordPress again to continue. Click on Audio to choose the audio widget type. Then, click on the title field. Then, click the Add Audio button. Click on Media Library to browse existing files. Now click on Upload Files to add a new one. Then click on the Drop Files to Upload area. Then click on the highlight. Finally, click Update Changes to Page. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.